There's our ship.
I'm not really hearing.
She was taking a photo for somebody.
Not yet, I hope.
No, he isn't.
Can't go back now.
He'd
You want to swim to shore, you better jump now.
He'd been saying all day.
Oh, that's a giant pretzel.
Right shoulder.
Got it?
It's famous because he's done 11 and 7 on his own.
Well, hi everybody. Yeah, there we go. Anybody find the bar yet? Yeah. I'd just like to propose a toast. If we have anything left within our glasses, sometimes it goes quick. But here's to the best 19 days, 18 nights that we could possibly have on the Southern Ocean.
Falkland Islands.
Yesterday.
So we're here, the ship is going to move into here, drop an anchor. We'll have about a 2-mile run to get to the
It's putting the anchor down, it looks like.
And it's got a draw to up. Upside down.
Aren't these all joined?
Okay, well, guys ready? Okay, can go anytime.
And you make cheese and things.
I've tried my hand at cheese. I'm not a farmer. I'm living and trying things out. Yeah. So I tried my hand at some cheese making just because I had the fresh milk. But it takes a lot of milk to make a bit of cheese.
What's that?
The Philippine
I will be the sprayer, sprayee.
See who I'm next
Okay,
to.
we can take one more person. Did you get that? Running down and then...
Face of evil. Just in case they fly away, there are these sheathbills.
But they only had those short periods. They never, and Spain had it for a while.
We're now at Port Stanley, having come that way yesterday. Stanley, getting on our bus.
You know about that, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We should have sent a bull down there to pick
They look very cool to use a big patio too. Things like
Bit of Scotland in that
point and shoot.
broom there in front of us. It's like a Caribbean beach otherwise.
there's some penguin burrows down on this hillside too.
Oh, they've got the pale grey look on the... They've got the fin a long way back on the back, look. The dorsal fin is a long way back.
Old friends down there. Black-crowned night herons.
See how things work. I tried.
Long-tailed meadowlark. You can see our ship over there in the background on the left.
Great story.
Steve looking at the reddy-headed geese. There's a British stud, if ever there was one.
Whereabouts?
I couldn't tell you, but I know it's from home.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, I like the hair. Leaving Port Stanley.
It just shows the pride that the crew and the officers have got for this ship. A ship is a living place, a place where people spend a lot of their lives. And the ship, there's a lot of pride in the ship of getting back into port looking better if that's possible than when you went out. Everything is maintained. The crew is full of so many trades. You can literally rebuild most of the ship at sea.
Happy birthday. Something to say.
Jim.
Date on the heritage video.
We've taken a photo of my camera.
We've arrived at South Georgia Island, and there, through the haze, stands. Into the bay. This is where we are right now.
5-1, please.
Okay, well, guys ready?
Seals on this beach. They're not the friendliest of seals. In fact, they will aggressively sometimes.
And then the Nimrod expedition, where he flogged himself to within 97 miles of the South Pole and returned. Okay.
Yeah, you just live on that boat and take her over.
1914, but the manager of the whaling station would live here with his family. Larson lived here with his wife and his daughters and their servants. And generally that was the only women on the island, the wife and the daughters and the servants.
Skuas are flying around, waiting to pounce on an egg or whatever. Here's my friend Aaron.
I think tonight wasn't happy hour, was very happy hour.
Nesting gently. Endemic pintail.
Doing what?
Oh, the sea, the front of the boat!
Married to Bill Holden.
Mostly this left side actually extended out into the lagoon fairly recently, within the last 10 years, and it retreated back. A huge chunk came off. Almost looks like he's washing himself because he keeps diving down.
our cabin window. Coast of South Georgia.
Good afternoon, folks. You've been having a bit.
Want to go kayaking? Here's your chance. There goes John. There they go. It's just about where they're going in that little bay.
Today's a big chunk of skin.
We're turning.
Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna hit the top. Oh, man. That's so over. Yeah. This sounds big. Yeah, here it is, here it is, here. Oh, yes, yes, it goes. Yeah. Okay, seals.
Still beating our way west and south. About 130 miles to go to the Antarctic. There's whales out there. Let's see if we can get a blow. Here we go.
Only a little bit away, tail, a little bit.
We're on the Antarctic continent here. Ice shelf. Tabular iceberg.
Then moved on.
Yeah.
It was.
Because one is rounded, one's so sharp. I think.
We got two of our people. These.
There's a Brazilian ship brought in to supply the Argentinian base. Deception Island over there. It's volcanic steam coming up through the beach. Ornithologist and author Noah Stricker.
This is Noah's Ark.
Noah's
Oh, look at this one ahead of us.
We should have a luxury when we've got ice. It's like saying old.
We have started our northward journey.
Have you found it? I just thought this is the first time saying.
There's a home behind there, 125 there. 125, looking for 150. 120, 150 we got.
We're on the way, leaving Antarctica to starboard. We're homeward bound now. It's Friday night, going through Drake's Passage. Pretty rocky. Big waves. Southern Whale.
I don't like to.
Oh.
I think he's away.
Ready, do.
700, that's where we were. There's Cape Horn. There lies Cape Horn.
Okay, at the moment we're in the South Pacific, and when we make our turn to starboard, then we'll turn across the line below Cape Horn and we'll be back into the South Atlantic. So this will be truly rounding the horn. The end of the world. I am the forgotten soul of the dead seamen who crossed Cape Horn from all the seas of the earth. But they did not die in the furious waves. Today they fly in my wings towards eternity, in the last crack of the Antarctic winds. Sarah Vial, 1992. It's a very special place. You're seeing it under the calmest conditions imaginable, and many people have perished going around the Horn in the square riggers. It's been a goal of sailors for over 400 years, and here we go from the South Pacific to the South Atlantic.
It really does take an entire team to bring this kind of dream to a fruition. And so, of course, with the crew, the captain and his crew, but all of us coming together with all of our passions and our skills to be able to make it all work. And so, please, a big round of applause for the One Ocean staff. We've just decided that we'll all enjoy each other's company and companionship in the bar lounge or wherever you choose on the ship. Tomorrow morning, we will have breakfast at... What time do we have breakfast?